I still remembered what happened in episode 2. At least I got the hospital, and look at my fort now. Damaged. And what are you doing here? I don't know. Oh, can you get me a taco? Don't say what a taco is, please. Oh, I was gonna say, why do you need a taco? Okay, that's different. I don't know, I'm hungry. I'm kinda hungry too. So, wanna get tacos? Sure, I'm the only one with a credit card in this world. Actually, Redbird has one too, but I don't care. Okay. Be right back. 2 hours later? What took you so long? Long line? Okay, I admit. Wait, what was I doing? I don't know. I think he was doing that all day. What? Wait, I'm not done talking. Thank you. Thank you. Wait, what was I doing again? Getting me a taco? Oh yeah, the taco. Here it is. 2 minutes later, I need to unwrap this. Here we go. What is Fuzzy Wuzzy doing in there? The only taco I could find is called a Fuzzy Wuzzy taco. Made with real Fuzzy Wuzzies. You idiot. Oh. Hey, are you gonna finish that taco? No, of course not. I'm not gonna eat him. What? I was sleeping. He's a zombie! Ah! Ow. Am I a zombie? Is there a ghost in here, Mr. Cameraman? No, there isn't. Oh. Wait, am I a zombie? Kind of looks like it. I'm not sure. Ow! Stupid idiots coming to my fort. He's probably an idiot too. What'd you say? Nothing. Oh, because I was gonna throw this object at you. What is it? This. Oh! Haha, loser. I need the hospital again. Mr. Shark, give me your credit card. Oh yeah, he died. Redbird. Huh? What? Did someone say my name? Redbird, please help me. Dude, you steal our eggs. Yeah, I know that, but I still need help. No. No, someone help! I need a credit card!